Do you want to root your mobile for PUBG Sharpshooter, PUBG Wall Hack and other rooted mobile tricks? Then you are at the right place. Keep watching this video till the end because this video is the only solution for you to root your Android mobile. We will guide you each single step from unlocking bootloader till installing Majestic. So before starting the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new to the channel. Hey guys, how are you? In this video I'm gonna show you that how can you root any Android device. There are 3 basic steps in rooting any Android device. Number 1, unlocking bootloader. Number 2, installing TWRP. Number 3, installing root. I have covered first 2 steps in one of the previous videos, so I'm not going to revise these steps. Continuing to the third step, let's first of all check that the root has been installed in our mobile or not. For that, open root checker. Click on verify root. See that root has not been installed. Now go to your browser and type here Majestic Manager. Go to the first link majesticmanager.com. Scroll down until you find the download option. Here you see download Majestic Manager. Click on it. The download would start automatically. Now wait for the download to complete. The file is just 2 MB, so it would not take much time. Here we see that the download has been completed. Now open and install it. Continue the further steps. Here we see that the Majestic Manager has been installed successfully, and now click on open it. Now click on install Majestic download file. The download is started now. File is 5 MB only and it would take just 40 to 50 seconds to download. Once it is downloaded, the next step would be easier to do. Now Majestic also has been downloaded. Now turn off your mobile by pressing power button. Now press power button and volume down button to open your bootloader menu. Here you see that the mobile has been directed to the bootloader menu. Now scroll down to the bootloader. Reboot to bootloader and press power button. Now again scroll down to boot to recovery mode. Click power button. Now the mobile has entered TWRP recovery. Click on install button. Go down where you downloaded Magisk. Here you see Magisk version 20.4. Swipe to install. It will just take 10 to 15 seconds to install Magisk. Here the Magisk has been installed successfully. Now wipe cache. Reboot system. Our mobile has been rooted now. Now to verify that the root has been successfully applied to our mobile or not, we need to turn it on and check in the root checker. Now mobile has been started. Unlock your mobile and open root checker. Now tap on verify root. Here you see that the congratulations window has been appeared, which means that the root has been installed successfully. If this video was really helpful for you, kindly subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share the video with your friends. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.